Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Good morning to you all. So as you can see, I've just woken up and ठीक से मेरी आँख भी अभी तक नहीं खुली है. But the purpose of doing this vlog is to just share my raw journey with you all. So the plan is कि पहले सारे chores खत्म होंगे. As you can see, पीछे काफ़ी mess पड़ा हुआ है यहाँ भी and यहाँ भी. So I need to clear all the mess first and just get going for the day. So the first thing I'll be doing is getting ready, having a shower, getting ready quickly, and uske baad I have my puja and all the spiritual activities that I do in the morning before leaving my house. Once I've done that, uske baad I'll be just taking a quick breakfast and then planning my day. So what all things I've got lined up? So sabse pehle I'll be obviously walking to work. It takes me about good 20 minutes to walk to work. It's raining, so I need to leave a bit early. So I'm back. As you can see, I've just left the house for work. I'll be going walking, so I haven't got the car yet as I'm just doing my lessons, and once I pass my lessons I'll be sorting out the car. So I've got a beautiful trail here जिसके बीच में से मैं गुजरती हूँ, and as you can see I'll just show you around है. So it's really beautiful and nice. काफ़ी सारे पत्ते झड़े हुए हैं. It's quite beautiful out here. Just walking to work. It's a good 10-15 minutes walk, and see you all later. Bye now. Once I finished all day's work, उसके बाद मेरी जो activities planned है is a driving lesson that I'll be doing. It's my third lesson. मैंने recently अभी ICBC का driver's lesson clear किया है for the knowledge test. That was class 5 के लिए. So मुझे उसका license मिल गया है. It's a learner's license, so I can now take lessons and start my journey towards driving soon. Hey friends, so I'm just really excited. I will be doing my driving lesson soon and just waiting for the instructor to come in. And stay tuned. See you soon. प्लान वो है. उसके बाद the next thing I've got is I have a workout session. So there is a client that I've been taking workout sessions for. I will be completing that session. उसके बाद I will be doing a Bhagavad Gita lesson जो हम करते हैं. It's me and then 2 other ladies who help me out. So we all do like a Bhagavad Gita lesson for an hour. उसके बाद then I just will be relaxing and chilling for a while and just doing my meal prepping and dinner, content creation जो मैं plan कर रही हूँ, that, and just planning to do the editing part basically. So stay tuned for the whole day with me as I share my journey along with you all. As you can see, मेरे मुँह पे कोई अभी makeup नहीं है, or I am not showing any pompous things. So what I am planning to do is just showing you the raw journey basically, and just to inspire you how I got here, what I manifested, and how I'm moving ahead in my journey. Just want to share that with you all. So see you all, catch you later.